One of the questions I get asked a lot in the office is, what can I do at home to help with this problem? A lot of times people have a lot of tightness and tension in their upper and mid back areas. And so one of the things I often recommend for patients is to roll with a therapy ball. This one here is one of the ones I typically recommend from Tune Up Fitness. We also carry them here in the office. It's kind of a spongy ball, about a racquetball consistency. So what I recommend is placing that ball right behind that problematic tight shoulder area into those muscles. You can use a space on your wall like this, or even a door works really well if we don't want to mess up those walls or kind of take any texture off them. But if you can get it right there, we're going to place our bodies against the wall, and then we're going to bring our feet out. So we're taking our own body weight and kind of applying it to the ball to get some pressure. We're going to cross our arms like we're giving ourselves a hug. And then we're going to roll up and down very slowly using that body weight, kind of feeling where that tight, sore areas into the muscles are. And we're going to do that for only up to 2 minutes. A lot of times I'll recommend 2 minutes to patients, and sometimes they go over that number, but what can happen is that they can get a little bit of bruising, and it kind of increases the issues rather than decreases it. In any case, doing this kind of into both sides a little bit, and especially problematic areas, once or twice a day can really help keep patients a little bit looser, keep them from having to come in as often, and really help with some of those tight, sore muscles.